Welcome to City Grill, and my name's Rob Vore. In this episode, I am going to do a seasoned lamb leg, butterflied lamb leg, that I picked up at Aldi's of all places, right? So we're going to give this a try out on the grill, see what happens. Okay, on the grill, I have some olive oil in my skillet. I'm going to pan-sear the lamb first. All right, so let's grab the lamb and place it in here. Oh, yeah. Exactly what I wanted to do. I'm going to sear it on this side for about a minute just so we can get a light crust. I'm going to flip it over to the other side. Then we'll stick it in the grill. The grill is at 375. We'll cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes inside the grill. All right, it's been about a minute. I'm going to go ahead and flip this. Oh, look at that. Nice browning on the top here. Again, let it go for about another minute. Then I'm going to stick it in the grill. Okay, now let's go ahead and transfer that meat right inside the grill here. I'm going to let that cook for probably 15 to 20 minutes, 375. We'll see how it looks. I want to get an interior temperature about 145, and she'll be ready to go. All right, it's been that 20 minutes. I've been checking it, but I go to the heavy part here. We're at about 149, 153, getting a little bit hotter fast, but it's ready to come off the grill. So I'm gonna take it off the grill, get it inside, and let's eat. All right, let's go ahead and cut this, see how it looks. I'm hoping a little bit pink in there in the middle. Oh yes, that looks beautiful. Kind of hard to see, a little shadow here, but wow, that looks beautiful. I can go ahead and take a bite of this. Oh my goodness, yes. By all means, get this. If you're at Aldi's, you see something like this, pick it up. It's good, delicious, well seasoned already. Highly recommend it. No recipe for this. Just get out there and get it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. Bye.